In India, the transportation sector is responsible for around 14% of the country's total greenhouse emissions. Without intervention or cleaner technologies, freight emissions are projected to increase by 140% between 2020 and 2050. And the first step to reducing emissions is accounting for them with precision and transparency. Welcome to our Freight Carbon Accounting platform. Getting started is a breeze. Simply register or log in, and you'll be greeted with a quick summary of your latest emissions data. Our intuitive dashboard puts all the insights you need right at your fingertips. Creating a new shipment is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Just select your freight method, enter the shipping details, and click Assess. Our system will instantly calculate the carbon emissions for that shipment. Need to review your past shipments? No problem. Use our robust filtering options to quickly find and curate the data you need. And within custom date ranges, you can generate comprehensive carbon emissions reports to share with stakeholders. Comparing shipping options just got a whole lot easier. Simply enter your origin and destination, and our platform will determine the most carbon efficient route, even for multimodal transits. Easily compare the emissions across different freight modes to make the greenest choice, with more features available on the platform to serve the needs of MSMEs and big industries like bulk uploads, transport chain elements, and more. Join TCI and IIMB Supply Chain Sustainability Lab in its greenest initiative with its carbon accounting platform, the first emission ISO certified platform in India. Join the movement for a greener tomorrow.